Hotend Cooling Fan Replacement Guide for the A2L. Always power off and disconnect power before maintenance. Remove the toolhead front cover by pinching near the bottom and lifting up and out. With the hot end at room temperature, remove the silicone sock. Press the filament cutting lever to cut any filament that may be attached to the hot end. Then, remove the hot end by undoing its latch. Use your hand or a prying tool to remove the toolhead rear housing as shown. Carefully disconnect the hot end cooling fan connector as shown. Remove the 4 screws securing the extruder unit. Pull the extruder unit away from the toolhead frame slightly, but then leave it in place. Use a screwdriver to slide the left side wire cover backwards to remove it. Remove the 2 screws securing the hot end fan and remove the fan. Route the new fan's wire through the wire channel and align the fan and extruder unit. Secure the fan with its 2 screws. Secure the extruder unit with its 4 screws. Connect the hot end cooling fan. Replace the left side wire cover by sliding it in from the rear. Replace the toolhead rear cover by aligning the top first, then rotating it down until it clicks into place. Install the hot end. Lock its latch and replace the silicone sock. Reinstall the toolhead front cover. For more guides, tips, and troubleshooting help, visit the Bambu Lab Wiki at wiki.bambulab.com.